Creating a realistic prop fire can be a safe alternative to open flames in situations such as stage productions or indoor parties. One way to make tissue flames is by gently pinching a sheet of tissue paper in the center and whipping it upright quickly to create a flame shape. Paper towel rolls can be transformed into logs by drawing wood grain lines on them. Glue the logs and flames together in a realistic campfire arrangement, and consider adding fake rocks for decoration. To give the flames a glowing effect, shine a flashlight behind them. If desired, set up a small fan to create a subtle movement. Another method involves cutting fabric flames and attaching them to wooden dowels, which can be arranged above a fan to create a blowing effect. Place colored lights underneath the flames for added visual effect. Before finalizing the arrangement, it's recommended to test the flames, lights, and fan setup to make sure your fire looks as realistic as possible.